Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to talk about XLOOKUP formula, a very powerful formula introduced in Office 365 version. So why we have to use XLOOKUP? So everyone was using VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP in the previous version, but they were only able to find the data from the right hand side. There was a limitation. In VLOOKUP we cannot fetch up the data from the back side or from the left hand side. There comes the usage of XLOOKUP. So if you use XLOOKUP formula, it redundant five formulas: VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, match, index, and if error. So let's see, then it will be more clearer. So I have a data which has like salesperson, number of customer, net sales, profit and loss. And these are my three questions which I'm going to solve in this video. So I have a salesperson Jackie and I want to see what is my net sales. Fine. So over here my salesperson are there and I have to extract the net sales. So I'm just going to apply XLOOKUP. So XLOOKUP has six arguments. VLOOKUP has four arguments, but XLOOKUP has six arguments. So the first three arguments are mandate, the rest three are optional. Whenever in Excel, the basically arguments are in the square bracket, it means it's optional. So we are going to first talk about these three, then I'll basically brief you the rest three also. XLOOKUP, lookup value. My lookup value is Jackie, comma, the lookup array. Lookup array means only this column. In VLOOKUP, we select the entire column, but in XLOOKUP, you have to only select this column, only the lookup column. And I'll be freezing this cell so that I can drag the formula. So I'll press F4. Freezing I've done through F4, comma, the return array. The return array, I want the net sales. So I'll just select the net sales column and again press F4. Simply press enter and here we got the value. The Jackie net sales is 1610. This was a simple one. This I can achieve by VLOOKUP also. But let's see the second case. In the second case, I want to see whose sales is 2133. So I have to look up the sales and I want the salesperson in return. So VLOOKUP you can't apply in this case because in VLOOKUP you have to give the column number which cannot be negative. So there are many people what they do is either they basically cut paste the data in front, which many a times not possible, or they apply two combination of a formula, match and index. Now see how it will be basically solved using XLOOKUP. So I'll put is equal to XLOOKUP and now I'll choose lookup value, comma, and this is my lookup array, F4 it, comma, and this is my salesperson. I don't have to count any formula. I can pick up from anywhere. And here we go. Yes. So where the VLOOKUP fails, so basically XLOOKUP can fetch up the value from right, from left, from top, from bottom. So that's why HLOOKUP also not required. So let's see the third case. What is the net sales of Ritu? So I'll put XLOOKUP and choose this Ritu sales and the salesperson F for it, comma, the net sales. Now the salesperson Ritu is not present, that's why it is giving me hash NA. So generally to remove the NA error in VLOOKUP we use if error. So but in XLOOKUP if error is not required, the next argument, the fourth argument, I'll freeze this one also. The next argument, the fourth one is if not found. This is if error only. So I can say not much. Or if it's some numeric, then you can put directly. And here we go. So XLOOKUP guys, it's a very powerful formula. Do use it. Thank you for watching this video.